This is how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. First thing you want to do is go ahead and head on over to the App Store. You're going to search up Coinbase and make sure to update and install the Coinbase app. Once you've done that, let's go ahead and open up the app. Once you've opened it up, you will be prompted to sign in. So go ahead and sign in with a current account or a new account. Once you've done that, you should be prompted with this screen right here. And of course, in order to buy Bitcoin, we will first need to add money into our Coinbase account. So we're going to go in the top left of these three dots. We're going to press on deposit right here. And here we will add a certain amount that we'd like to add into our Coinbase account. And of course, if you haven't already, where it says add a payment method right here, we're going to press on that and choose how we would like to take the cash out of, either a bank account, debit card, or etc. But once you have money in your Coinbase account, Bitcoin should be listed right here on the home page under prices. But if it's not, you got to go in the bottom right, in the top where it says search, go and look up Bitcoin. And once you press on Bitcoin, there should be an option right here that says buy and sell. Let's go and press that. And here we will add, of course, a certain amount that we like to add in order to buy. And once you're comfortable with using that amount to buy Bitcoin, you're going to press buy and confirm the payment, and you would have successfully bought Bitcoin. I do not have any money added to my Coinbase account, but all you have to do is confirm yours, and you would have successfully bought Bitcoin. That is how to buy Bitcoin on Coinbase.